Hey guys, welcome back to LetCode. So in this video, I'm going to give you a quick tip how to handle multiple windows using the page object model. So recently got few comments on this, so I thought like it will be a very quick video. So I'm not going to code much. I'm just going to show you how to handle it. So if you go to this application flipkart.com and let's say that we are going to search for a product. Okay. So let me search this particular test data. Okay, I'm going to search this and I'm going to press enter, so that will load this page. So this is single page, single tab is there, but when I click on this, it will open a new tab. Okay, so in this page what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on like so initially it will be like your just let me remove this first. Okay, so when we click on the first search result, you can see like it's giving us a new pop-up, new tab basically, right? So here I can say like add to cart. I'm just going to click this and I'm going to show you how to write this in with the help of page object model. So already we have a video like how to handle single windows or multiple windows with the help of Playwright, but let's see how to do the same using page object model. Okay, so here I have a very simple test script. So here you can see like I have three classes. One is the home page where we have like elements, the close pop-up. Close pop-up is nothing but like when we launch the Flipkart in incognito mode. So first time we'll get this login pop-up. So I'm just going to click on this close icon. So for that we have this particular line of code, and then we have this search for. So I'm going to search the mobile name. So just typing the data and then we are pressing the enter. Okay, so very simple thing. Then we have this search result page. So once we press enter, we'll get this one. So I have named this like search result page. So within this, what I'm trying to do is I can remove this. I'm not using this actually. Yeah, so within this we have like click first result, only one function. So I'm going to click on this particular guy, which will open a new tab. Okay, and then we have another page called result page where actually we have this add to cart button, this one. Okay, so if I go to my test case, it's very simple. I have 3 steps within one single test. So here first of all we'll go to the app and we'll do the close the pop-up, we'll search and we'll click on the first result, and we have to click on the add to cart. Here we have a wait for 5 seconds just to show you like whether the add to cart is working or not. So if I run this directly like npm run test now, it will not work. I will show you why. So it launched the website, and once the page is loaded completely, it's going to click on the cross button or icon, I guess. Okay, so it searched for the product and it click on the first result. Now the page is loaded, new tab is loaded, but the add to cart button is not clicked. Okay, and after the timeout we'll get the error. So it will say like target closed, could not find that particular element. So in Playwright we don't get the exact exception. Like in Selenium we will get something like no such element, but in terms of protector, I mean Playwright, it will be like target closed. Okay, so or timeout, mostly we get that. So let's wait for the exception. Actually you can see, yeah, so we got it and we can see the result like test timeout and target closed. We are waiting for this, but this button is not there, but the locator is correct, but still it says like waiting for selector. That means it is not able to find the element. Okay, and it says missing an attachment. We can just refresh to get that, I guess. No, okay, something wrong. Let's not worry about it. We can close this. Let's go here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to handle this. Okay, so first of all, if you go to this click first result, so like once we click on this, then we are getting a new tab, right? So here what we have to do is very simple thing actually. So first of all we have to say like await promise dot all, and within that the square bracket, the array basically, and within that first of all we'll say like this dot page dot wait for an event, and the event is going to be my pop-up. Okay, and the pop-up will appear once I click on this guy called the search result. Okay, so this is going to return me the new tab. So in the destructuring way I can retrieve that, and once I got that I'm just simply going to return this one. Okay, so return new tab. Okay, and that's it, my job is done here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this. So if you mouse over on this new tab, you can see like this is basically my page. So what is this? This is a new page in the sense like that's going to be my this new tab now. So tab means of course it's a page in Playwright. Okay, now if I go to my test case, what I have to do is, so if you see initially when we created all our page objects, we have given the pages that we are getting from the test fixture, but now we are getting our page from this particular guy. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to store that, or else I can also do the return, and here I can store it. If you are using the steps, you can do in this way, or else just a simple the return, how it works, the same thing. Okay, yeah, so here we'll say like return, then followed by, once we click on the first string, it will handle the promises using the await, and it will return the new tab that we have stored here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this line from here, and I'm going to make it here. Okay, and here I can say like instead of page I can say like my new tab. Okay, that's it, we are pretty much done. Let me go and run this now one more time. So here it's going to close the pop-up. It's loading, actually the website is loading, that's why. Yeah, so it searched, hit click on the first result, and here you can see like it added the product to the cart. So we are getting a new page like the cart actually added, and after 5 seconds our test is completed. Just in case if you want to see the reports, we can do that. So test got passed, and here you can see like this is the cart page, right? So once we click on the add to cart, it will navigate to the cart page. Okay, so that's it, very simple. Handling window in Playwright is also simple, but we have to know the tricks. Okay, now here you might ask like, if I'm not using step, what we have to do? Basically you have to create the object within the like here next line. Okay, so instead of return, you can store it something like const tab, and you pass the tab to your constructor, which will work for sure. Okay, and that's it. If you have my typing is mess today. Yeah, if you have any doubt, feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll be happy to reply. Okay, so let me undo this to return. Okay, yeah, that's it. I hope you are able to understand how to handle the window handling concept with the help of page object model. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Tada, bye bye, take care.